An El Paso infectious disease expert says it is obvious El Paso is up against another COVID-19 surge. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Natasha Paloma. KTSM 9 News reporter Shelby Kapp is live in West El Paso with a look at testing availability and how quickly the virus is spreading.
Pasoans waiting in long lines once again today to get tested for COVID-19. And Dr. Alozi, as he just mentioned, everybody knows somebody who's sick right now. And he tells me that Omicron doubles every 2 to 3 days.
The expectation that over the coming weeks we're going to see this potentially get even worse.
Dr. Alozi, the CEO of Sunset ID Care, speaking about the first 12 cases of Omicron recorded by the city from specimens collected on December 21st and 22nd, saying that number is higher now.
There's a conversation about whether this is Delta or Omicron. If you look at the city's numbers that were released yesterday, we were at 4% the week of Christmas. Understanding that Omicron doubles every 2 to 3 days, we're probably at the 36 to 62% range of all the cases in the city being Omicron.
El Pasoan Alan Badillo waiting in line to get tested on Tuesday, saying he couldn't find a rapid at-home test.
No, we actually went to Walmart, CVS, and Walgreens, and none of them had it. They were out of stock and back ordered. I believe they told me that. I waited in line about 4 or 5 hours. This was my only option for today.
During Tuesday's city council meeting, the El Paso Fire Chief Mario D'Agostino says the city is stocked with COVID-19 tests for the testing sites, but not with rapid at-home tests.
Right now, we're currently stocked. We do have a well amount of supplies for our PCR testing. As far as the availability of rapid at-home personal use testing, that's the difficulty, but that's a supply chain issue at the federal level. So when they put the restraint on it, it puts the restraint on the state, so the state no longer has supplies of that nature to provide to the municipalities.
Adding during today's city council meeting that the company that runs these mega testing sites currently has 20% of its staff out with COVID-19. Reporting live from West El Paso, Shelby Kapp, KTSM 9 News.
Shelby, thank you. The El Paso Independent School